Hi, my name is Joey Criscuolo. I am a loan officer here at Fairway Independent Mortgage in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've been a loan officer since 2020. What inspired me to become a loan officer was the background of being in hospitality and loving the financial aspect of things. I came from food and beverage for the last 11 years, and knowing that I can build referrals and help people out and build that relationship with them, I was able to have a smooth transition into really making their experience something they would remember. I got started in the industry because of COVID, actually. Left the food and beverage industry and was really wanting a change in my career, but didn't know what I wanted. I had a 4-month-old at the time and just wanted something that was a little more family oriented and not getting home so late. I think the last 4 years in this industry has taught me a lot of things. I've been able to grow in the sense of really anticipating people's needs the more I get comfortable with this industry. Something memorable is just seeing first-time homebuyers being able to do something that they never thought was attainable. My favorite aspect of the mortgage industry would be, I think, the long-lasting relationship you have afterwards with them. Being able to build a friendship or being able to help them in their second, third, and fourth homes. I think one of the more memorable loans I was able to do was helping a young girl, 22 years old, and she just impressed me how much she actually knew in the mortgage industry and the homework she did, and I saw myself in her because I was able to, purchase my home at a very young age too, and it was cool to see her really set up her future and to see her aspirations and where she wanted to go with it. The most rewarding thing for me being a loan officer, I would have to say, is seeing dreams become a reality and seeing families who have the kids being able to really set up their future to help them grow and to have a place they can call home. I think one of the hidden gems that I love, I'm a big foodie, so what I really like to do is find those spots off the strip to go to. In the Southwest area, a place called Other Mama, seafood, great food, little hole in the wall you would never think it existed. I think one skill I developed, I would really attribute it to having kids, to be honest with you, and being patient, especially when borrowers don't get me documents in time or I like things done yesterday. I really have learned to grow patient not only with the process of the loan, but just in life, and taking that with me wherever I go. Some tips I would give a realtor over the last 4 years and what I've picked up in is just being personable, being yourself and really building that relationship, because it's how you carry them along the journey. They don't know any better, so the more you educate them, the more you communicate with them, you're really going to build their trust, and you're really going to have them trust you, not even for themselves, but for family or friends they want to refer to you. Outside of work, I like to spend my free time by playing sports with my little man. He just started t-ball, so helping out with that. He's really getting acclimated to things, spending time with the family. Family's big for me, and just staying close with the friends that I do have and just really building that relationship stronger. It's all about community, and I feel like if we have a strong community with your core people, you can go far. The reason why I like Fairway, and I may be biased because it's the only thing I've ever known, but it's family here. When I first started out, I basically knew nothing, and every person took me in, and they weren't selfish. They were always wanting to see me grow, and that's what I really like. I like the hospitality aspect and how we treat every person like a VIP, from the parking lot to the coffee bar all the way to the back office. And being surrounded with people who have been doing this 10, 15, 20 years, they're never willing to hide what they know, even though technically we're not on the same team. If you're a loan officer just getting in the business or thinking of having a change of scenery, why you should consider Fairway is the fact that it's family. As cliche as that might sound, just the tight-knit community here. And again, it's not, every person in here is not self-centered, and they always have your best interest and always wanting to see you succeed as well with them, because as you grow, we all grow. Something I'm excited about moving into 2024 and where I want to see myself at the end of the year. Last year in 23, I placed 4th overall in the branch. I want to see myself get into the top 3. I definitely can feel momentum building. It's been a great first quarter, and I think moving forward, as we continue to see where this market takes us, I believe we can have a great second half of the year.